Number 10.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Number 9.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell BladeRunner X2. The go anywhere, cut anything, compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning-fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, BladeRunner's always ready to slice your work time. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.
Number 8.
From finish work to inflation, powered through most jobs with the Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor, made in the USA with global materials. It's designed with a 6-gallon tank and an oil-free pump that recovers quickly so you can keep working. A high PSI drives more nails than a traditional 135 max PSI compressor. For added convenience, it's designed with dual couplers, and it starts up easy in cold weather. Plus, its lightweight construction and cord wrap make transportation and storage a breeze. Make big jobs a little easier with this Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor. Craftsman, we build pride.
Number 7.
Finally, an 18-volt solution for corded power demands. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3 1/4-inch planer model LXP K01 delivers performance, accuracy, versatility, and convenience. The spring-loaded stand elevates the base to protect the blades and the workpiece. The 2-inch blade cutter head, along with its 14,000 RPM motor, is engineered for fast stock removal, and it weighs only 7.4 pounds. Its machined aluminum base increases planing accuracy. It has an electric brake for maximum productivity. Get precise depth adjustments, get quick and convenient blade installation, and it's ergonomically balanced with rubberized grips for added comfort. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Number 6. Number 5. Number 4.
Get power and speed in an ultra-compact size with the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless impact driver kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity with the speed and torque you need for driving and fastening in tight spaces. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. The slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Number 3. Number 2.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion pocket reciprocating saw, the fastest in its class. Compact size and lightest weight. Superior ergonomics for comfort and control. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful motor for the fastest cutting. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The 12-volt max lithium-ion pocket reciprocating saw.
Bosch, invented for life.
Number 1.